Okay, so this is the Numeracy Professional Skills Test Practice Test 2, questions 18, 19 and 20. Question 18. A teacher is planning a group outing to see a play in a nearby city. She's given details of cost and travel. There are 25 in the group, including pupils and teachers. A group booking for 25 theatre tickets cost £185. Return train tickets cost £5.65 each. How much will each person have to pay for the outing to cover the cost of the travel and theatre ticket? Okay, so let's have a look at my solution. So let's take the total cost of the theatre, which is £185, divide that by 25 people, gives £7.40 each to pay. On top of that, they have to pay for their train ticket, which is £5.65, which gives me a total of £13.05. You could have taken the cost of the train ticket, multiplied it by 25, added it to 185, and then divided your answer by 25. That would have worked too. Either way, you should be getting an answer of £13.05. Question 19. To set targets for the following year, the Mathematics Department analysed the percentage of Mathematics GCSE grades A* to C achieved by pupils in the school. So we can see the results on this bar chart in front of us. Tick all of the true statements. The mean percentage of GCSE grades A* to C for the last 5 years of the chart was 51%. The percentage of GCSE grades A* to C increased each year from 2004 to 2011. The percentage of Mathematics GCSE grades A* to C more than doubled from 2004 to 2011. Okay, so here's my solution. I'll go through each of these statements in turn. So the first one talks about the mean percentage of GCSE grades A* to C for the last 5 years of the chart, and the claim is that that is 51%. Well, I just need to work this out. So I take each of the values in turn, 47, 46, 50, 54 and 58. If I add that up, I get 255. No need to do any pen and paper long addition here. You can just use the calculator that is provided to you. And then I just do 255 divided by 5. This gives me 51, which is exactly the suggested number. So that statement is true. The second statement says that the percentage of GCSE grades A* to C increased each year from 2004 to 2011. Well, actually, this is incorrect because the percentage actually decreased from 2007 to 2008. You can see on the graph that it drops from 47 to 46. So the statement that it increased each year from 2004 to 2011 is not correct. The third statement says that percentage of Mathematics GCSE grades A* to C more than doubled from 2004 to 2011. Well, if I look at the numbers, I have 58 and 22. Is 58 more than double 22? Yes, it is. If you double 22, you get 44. 58 is certainly more than that. So we have that the first and the third statements are correct. Question 20. A school parents' evening starts at 4:30 on each of 2 consecutive days. A teacher has a total of 24 appointments lasting 10 minutes each and takes a 20-minute break during each evening. The teacher filled all the available appointment slots on the first evening and finished at 7 o'clock. What is the earliest time the teacher can expect to finish on the second evening? Give your answer using the 24-hour clock. Okay, so let's look at my solution. We can assume that the break is taken straight away. This probably in real life would not happen, but you can convince yourself, and I'll leave it as an exercise to you, that when we're answering this question, the mathematics doesn't care when the break is taken. So the easiest thing for us is to just assume that the break is taken immediately, and that effectively we're starting at 10 to 5, 16:50 in the 24-hour clock. So we know that on the first night we finish at 7, so that gives me 2 hours and 10 minutes. Each slot is 10 minutes, so that's a total of 13 slots. There's 24 appointments in total. If I see 13 on the first night, then on the second night there are 11 left. The teacher takes the break each evening, so the break will be included in the second evening as well. We can work out where you would finish. Probably the easiest way is to say, okay, well, if 13 slots ended at 7 on the night before, I've got 2 less this time, so that's going to end 20 minutes earlier than 7 o'clock, which was the previous night. So it's going to end at 20 to 7, which is 18:40 using the 24-hour clock.